Greetings! Thank you for choosing Messiah College. I'm the orientation guy, and through a series of videos, I will orient you to the ins and outs of your new college. To begin, there are 5 things you should take care of well before you arrive on move-in day. Number 1, your housing. Visit the Nest on MyMC and fill out the Housing Preferences form, or submit the commuter contract if you will not be living on campus. 2, send in a photo for your ID. To do this, search ID photo on MyMC and follow the instructions. Your ID card will then be given to you when you check in for Welcome Week. 3, set your course schedule for the fall semester. To begin, visit the course registration link on MyMC. If you need additional assistance, contact the registrar's office. 4, fill out your health forms on the Accepted Student Portal. Make sure that both your immunization form and your physical form are uploaded. And 5, take care of your first semester bill. Remember to review and accept your financial aid awards. So again, housing, ID photos, course registration, health forms, and billing. And if you're going to be a student employee, make sure you watch this video next. That's all I have for now. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We are very excited to have you as a member of the Messiah College community. I guess we'll be seeing each other again sometime, virtually.